Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. This is our meteorology segment to kick things off today. Thanks for tuning in wherever you're tuning in from, whether it's on YouTube or on BitChute, or if you're viewing on Twitch. The first thing we're looking at here are the jet streams, which are extremely chaotic in the southern hemisphere. We're seeing a huge divergence in the northern hemisphere here in the eastern Pacific. Jacked up jet streams there to the east of Australia. In between Australia and New Zealand, we see a low pressure system forming there. A clockwise rotation in the southern hemisphere indicates low pressure. Next, surface winds. And there you can see a signal there as well, a clockwise rotation to the northwest of New Zealand. Some strong winds there south of the Aleutian Islands as well. Let's rotate planet Earth to look at the western world's surface winds. Strong low off the coast of Newfoundland there in the North Atlantic, as well as in the North Sea. How about the jet streams of the west? And you can see this massive convergence happening here. Jet streams coming together here over the central U.S. as cold and warm air come together. It's the 250 hectopascal winds from nullschool.net if you want to look it up yourself. Also a massive bend here over the North Atlantic. And let's move on. Next, we're going to show you the positive snow depth change. So snow accumulation here. This is the European forecast for snow accumulation over the next 12 hours. Here's the next 24 hours. And here's the next 3 days. We typically focus on about 72-hour forecasts here as they are accurate enough that we're not spouting nonsense on the channel. We'll also talk a little bit more about snow with some other models and some data sets about how much has been falling. Check it out, snow in Mexico and southern Arizona and southern New Mexico. So that's a European forecast for snow accumulation over the next 3 days. Not forecasting anything for where we're located here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Next, your 72-hour GFS snow accumulation forecast. And they're forecasting a ½ inch to an inch here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. The majority of the snow here is going to be in places like northern Ohio, northern Indiana, and northern Illinois. Most of Michigan. And a large band there in the eastern Rockies. Again, 72-hour GFS positive snow depth change forecast there for you. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county is lit up, just click your county. Head to weather.gov. What do we have going on in Hawaii there? Some flood watches around Hawaii. Let us know if you've been surfing in the North Shore regions. It's on the bucket list. Next, your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Some heavy lightning there over northern Cuba. Besides that, not a whole lot of lightning to cover. No terrestrial lightning over the U.S., it looks like. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. Powered by blitzachtung.org. Go ahead, you can say it aloud, folks. blitzachtung.org. Or if you're a Bavarian, perhaps you'd want to say blitzachtung.org. Yeah, Bavarians roll their R's. Anyway, lightning pretty calm here. A lull in a lot of different things, including earthquakes, solar activity, and volcanoes at the moment. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. If you're a larger channel, help us out. Tell your friends and foes about us. Press share, etc. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. If you're viewing any place besides YouTube, please view on YouTube. You're missing like 90% of the content. Let's continue on. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Apparently they liked this video here that was entitled, YouTube, It Sucked at Math. And the thumbnail says, do the math, 8 == capital D. Our biggest video on the channel, on the BitChute platform there for quite a while. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Since we're paid just a side of nothing to put the videos on YouTube, consider becoming a member of the Smash team. Smashamash.com/Smash team. You can find links on the homepage and below this video. The homepage is smashamash.com. And let's show a teaser here. And give me one moment to check on the life of the stream. Everything looks A-OK. Anyway, we're going to show you a teaser here of the latest post. Just give me a minute to let that load, as this video was originally streamed live. If you're wondering what the URL is, you can probably tune in to twitch.tv/smashomash. And here are the latest post headlines. We'll leave it there. So thanks to the Smash team, we replaced Patreon with something vastly superior, our own servers. And let me get back to the meteorology stuff. So the next thing we're going to talk about is snow. So if you've ever been to Global Cryosphere Watch, maybe check that out. Global Cryosphere Watch. It keeps track of snow in all sorts of different ways. And if you look at the snow extent, it's actually pretty low at the moment. It's right at the bottom of the 13-year range there. Snow extent actually low at the moment, but that is a two-dimensional representation of how much snow area there is. What's more important is the amount of mass that the snow is taking up, and there's the snow water equivalent well above 1 standard deviation. And the snow mass balance for the 6th consecutive winter in a row is well over 1 standard deviation above normal for the 30-year average, which is the shaded blue area. So this winter looking just like the last 5 consecutive winters at the moment. Looking at 6 consecutive winters in a row. 6 consecutive winters. That was a little redundant. Anyway, here is the water vapor map over the Pacific Ocean. Getting back to meteorological data here to close things out. The Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest surface heat sink and largest body of water. It's kind of important. If you know what's going on over that, it gives you some insight into global weather patterns. Water vapor. Next, your weather.gov map. We've got all 50 states shown here. We're going to focus on the lower 48 for the next portions of the video. There's a U.S. Doppler radar map. Some snow here moving across Ohio into Pennsylvania and West Virginia as we stream the video live. Next, shortwave radiation map showing you clouds and fog at nighttime. And last but not least, the water vapor. We'll show you a recap here. You can see some clear skies here moving across Wisconsin, about to move across Lake Michigan. That dry mass of air right there, likely associated with clear skies. Here's your recap, the U.S. Doppler radar, showing the motion of water droplets in a vertical air column. Shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog at nighttime. And water vapor, showing water vapor, including water vapor not even condensed onto clouds, to give you the best insight as to how systems are going to move. They're going to be moving pretty consistently here, maybe making a slight turn to the east. Anyway, thanks for tuning into our meteorology section. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.